Hola! In this video we'll be learning more about conjugating AR verbs into the preterite. Remember, preterite is a past tense, so it's like adding an ED onto an action in English. To review the rules from the first video, let's conjugate esperar, to wait for or to hope. Now in the present tense, again this is like I hope, I wait for, you wait for, any of those. Yo espero, tú esperas, él espera, ella espera, usted espera, nosotros esperamos, ellos esperan, ellas esperan, ustedes esperan. Now in the past tense, this would change to yo esperé, tú esperaste, él esperó, ella esperó, usted esperó, nosotros esperamos, ellos esperaron, ellas esperaron, ustedes esperaron. Notice the nosotros form is the same in both. I wanted to explain something neat about the preterite for AR verbs. We don't have stem changers, or shoot verbs, if you remember those, in the past tense with ARs. So how awesome is that? Okay, some of the AR verbs that do this, if you don't remember, would be jugar, which is U to UE, comenzar, E to IE, empezar, E to IE, and almorzar, O to UE. So we don't have that same problem in the past tense. This is something that happens, though, in Spanish if a verb ends in GAR, CAR, and ZAR. It's only a problem you have to worry about with spelling due to pronunciation. So the pronunciation is going to follow the same pattern. The voice will follow the pattern, but the writing is a little bit weird. Okay? So let's try out jugar, to play. Now remember, this is a stem changer in the present tense. So, I play, you play, he plays, she plays, we play, they play. Yo juego, tú juegas, él juega, ella juega, nosotros jugamos, ellos juegan, ellas juegan, ustedes juegan. Okay? Now, for the past tense, there's no stem change, no shoe, but notice it's a little bit weird spelling, but the pronunciation's fine. Yo jugué, tú jugaste, él jugó, ella jugó, usted jugó, nosotros jugamos, ellos jugaron, ellas jugaron, ustedes jugaron. Now, I'm going to put a box around the weird one. It's pretty obvious, hopefully. Why do we have to put a UE instead of only an E? The reason is because the way the letter G or G works in Spanish. It has a hard sound when it's before an A, an O, or an U. Some examples. Lagarto, Gol, Gutierrez. So when it comes before an A or an E, it turns into the H or the J sound. Gemelo, gitano. Okay? So the verb jugar has a hard G sound. We want to keep that sound in every single form. So the U just gives that G the hard G sound for the A. And the rest, we have A's and O's afterwards, so there's really no problem with those. All GAR verbs will do this the same thing in the yo form. Some other common ones are pagar and llegar. Now, there's another type, CAR verbs. Okay? Those are something very similar in the past tense. Sacar is a pretty common one. It means to take, sacar fotos, to take pictures, sacar la basura, to take out the trash. The present tense, yo saco, tú sacas, él saca, ella saca, usted saca, nosotros sacamos, ellos sacan, ellas sacan, ustedes sacan. In the past, or preterite, yo saqué, tú sacaste, él sacó, ella sacó, usted sacó, nosotros sacamos, ellos sacaron, ellas sacaron, ustedes sacaron. Notice again, the only weird one is the yo form. Not only do we add the UE, but we also are changing the letter completely to Q. Okay, this is for pronunciation reasons again. C, like G, before an E, and I, is softer like an S. And before A, O, or U is like K. But if I were to put UE after C, it would be sway. So we have to spell it with a Q to give it the K sound, sake. Now all other CAR verbs will do this in the yo form in the preterite. Some common ones are buscar and tocar. We also have a third type, ZAR. Verbs ending in ZAR also have a problem in the yo form. Let's try almorzar, to eat lunch. This is also a stem changer, notice, in the present tense. So, yo almuerzo, tú almuerzas, él almuerza, ella almuerza, usted almuerza, nosotros almorzamos, ellos almuerzan, ellas almuerzan, ustedes almuerzan. But remember, no more shoe in the preterite for AR verbs. Yo almorcé, tú almorzaste, él almorzó, ella almorzó, usted almorzó, nosotros almorzamos, ellos almorzaron, ellas almorzaron, ustedes almorzaron. If you notice, the Z changed to a C in the yo form. And Z before E might not be as soft, so it's changed to sound a little bit less like a Z, and more like a S. Okay? So it's really kind of a minor change. But all the other ZAR verbs do this in the yo form as well. Some common ones are comenzar, empezar, and casar. Let's do a couple for practice. I'm going to give you the yo form, and you're going to have to change it from the present tense to the preterite. Yo empiezo. Yo empecé. Yo juego. Yo jugué. Yo toco. Yo toqué. Yo pago. Yo pagué. Yo caso. Yo casé. Yo almuerzo. Yo almorcé. Yo comienzo. Yo comencé. Yo saco. Yo saqué. Yo busco. Yo busqué. Yo llego. Yo llegué. Okay? Hopefully this was helpful for all of you. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, those are always welcome. Gracias y adiós.